Today, Dogecoin has become one of the most popular cryptocurrencies. It also has grown in size and is currently the 9th biggest cryptocurrency in the world. It has a total market cap of more than $35 billion, making it bigger than some of the best-known companies in the world. Thanks for watching Crypto Lion. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We'll be right back after this.
GSX is an unprecedented financial asset that combines the best elements of a traditional investment with the backing of a stablecoin and the use cases of many of the largest decentralized currencies like XRP.
The meme coin stood ground amongst other cryptocurrencies in the early months of 2021, but eventually experienced a gradual decline which goes on to date. This is not enough reason to write off the coin, as it is predicted to experience a massive surge again as we approach the last month of the year. As against the wish of many Dogecoin holders, the coin seems to know no bounds, going down more rapidly. Dogecoin holders are frustrated and hopeful that the coin will rise again to make a means to an end. Due to the sudden price surge of trading pairs, many traders entered Doge at 30 cents to cushion the accelerating rally. But due to a rapid setback and lack of price increase, this notable coin fell rather than increase as many experts predicted. About 23% of Doge holders are flat-footed at the moment when it comes to purchasing power. This means that their entry was made at a higher price than it is today. The number of cash holders has increased by 7%, suggesting an asset modification or consolidation. Presently, about 69% of Dogecoin holders can be regarded as beneficiaries of the coin. Unlike other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Shiba Inu that have about 95% of its holders as beneficiaries. It's worthy of note that large transaction numbers can help revive the coin, but at the moment, only a few transactions are carried out on the network because of its bearish market. Doge on-chain data shows that the total number of large transactions on the network is down by almost 7%. This is a massive overhaul in comparison to other cryptocurrencies. Dogecoin's price analysis is bearish recently as we likely see further downside below 26 cents. Holders are relatively expected to put on a calm outlook towards the dip as it's estimated to hit back by December of 2021. Every cryptocurrency experiences a downward movement, but the dip with Dogecoin is considerably unbearable for investors who can't hold and have patience for the upcoming bullish market. Investors have several other coins which are on the rise. This is relatively true, but not the best side of the situation, as Dogecoin stands a big chance to rise again even before the end of the year. Investing in Dogecoin should instead be a long-term investment, since it's certain that the coin will overcome its present fall and recover to the height it was once estimated to reach, and as well rival the cryptocurrencies it was once tipped to rival. This is why it's rather an investment strategy to invest in Dogecoin at the moment than weep over its dip. Dogecoin's value will rise again to make market headlines. The rise is expected in the last month of the year and the early days of 2022. At the time of the rise, it will not be safe to invest in the coin as it is safe at the moment. Before now, Dogecoin was one of the most traded cryptocurrencies around the world. It was arguably finding its way to the cores of irreplaceable coins. This was adversely fueled by its popularity among traders and investors. The actual line of action was its continually increasing prices at the beginning of the year. In July 2021, investors and traders made enough profits plus enough opportunities whenever they traded Dogecoin. The growth of the coin attracted more than enough attention from its traders until its rapid decline. Billionaire entrepreneur Mark Cuban's claim that Dogecoin is the strongest cryptocurrency as a medium of exchange has been backed up by longtime Doge fan Elon Musk. Both celebrity businessmen have been drawn to Dogecoin for its lighthearted nature and strong community, and have been important to its 8,000% gain over the last year. According to research, every week, Benzinga conducts a survey to collect sentiment on what traders are most excited about, interested in, or thinking about as they manage and build their personal portfolios. The survey was done recently, and results show that Dogecoin will get to the $1 mark by December. The survey showed that 68.3% predicted Doge getting to $1. This survey was conducted in September of this year and included the responses of a diverse population of adults 18 or older. Opting into the survey was completely voluntary with no incentives offered to potential respondents. The study reflects results from over 1,000 different adults. Dogecoin started showing bullish signs earlier this year. As of the time of the initial increase, the value growth was slow. Notably, the first 3 months were pretty slow compared to the rest of the crypto market, which was surging at an alarming rate. In April, the surge caught up with Doge as it increased nearly 10 times in value, jumping from 5 cents to 45 cents. The reversal came that month as well, forming a massive bearish signal after the bullish trend, and eventually, the decline followed in the next 2 months. These 2 months were a resentment to the initial thoughts people had about Dogecoin at the time. This period was, however, a good season for other investors to invest in the coin in its bearish era. In July, the price of Dogecoin pierced the 20 simple moving average. August was expected to be bullish, as it seems like Dogecoin was resuming the bullish trend again. By the second month of 2022, it's estimated that Dogecoin will be worth $0.50. These indicators serve as hope for traders who have the coin in the bag. Late last week, Musk tweeted that he was planning to start a new university that would accept tuition payments in Doge. While Musk often joked about such lofty plans, it was enough for the Doge army to drive up social engagement about the meme coin over the weekend and keep investors hooked to trading it. While Musk's university may be still a pipe dream or even a joke, Doge could find some support from the Australian courier companion website Fast Courier's recent announcement to start accepting payments in cryptocurrencies, including Dogecoin. One of the biggest drivers that have kept the value of Doge supported in recent months is the rising interest among businesses in accepting it as a payment method. While most of the businesses doing so are based in the US, Fast Courier is one of the first instances of this move by supporting it and adopting the coin. Dogecoin has managed to increase above the resistance trend line that has trapped the meme coin for almost 3 months in a row. Its value fails to close above the 100-day SMA and retreats from the prevailing uptrend. Dogecoin is likely to retest the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level before falling toward the start of the demand barrier. Should Dogecoin fail to reach the critical support level before the year runs out, its price would likely be trapped trading below the decreasing resistance level, holding on until a compelling upside release emerges. It is worthy of note that Dogecoin traders and its holders will realize at some point that the coin will survive the hostility of the market, although the central banks might try to make it difficult for some centralized cryptocurrencies. Considering that the crypto market is becoming increasingly decentralized, which means that it will be increasingly difficult to crack down on, transactions are end-to-end secured with well-processed passcodes. Will Dogecoin reach $0.50 before the end of the year? No one really knows, but Dogecoin will certainly reverse at some point. And if that happens before the end of the year, it will certainly reach $0.50 before January of 2022 and $1 before mid-2022. Dogecoin's price predictions for 2022 might be uncertain, but it is predicted to go beyond $1.50 before the year ends. Should the value of Dogecoin fall more, many traders will exchange the coin for other coins that are market-friendly at the moment. In simple words, more investors are expected to continue buying Doge, which will push prices higher daily as the coin is set for a revival even before the year runs out. According to various price forecasts, Dogecoin will probably start 2023 at its maximum price ever. Where it will be exactly, no one knows, but this period will be bullish for cryptocurrencies and Dogecoin would have increased above $1 before then. This is why traders and investors must hold the coin, as its overall expectations for the years 2022 and 2023 are high and massive. This overall will enrich both traders and investors. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. And make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And as always, good luck and happy investing.